So the fundamental insurance, chapter 3rd, fill in the blanks, part B. So number 6, requirement after loss. To give dash with notice of loss to the insurers in writing. It means to give forthwith. Forthwith means immediately. So right away. Notice. So highlight the word forthwith or highlight the word immediately. And highlight in writing. B. To hand over the proof of dash to the insurer as soon as possible. So highlight as soon as possible, but proof of a loss. So basically, if the fire happened, what do you do? So give them the, the notice as soon as it's possible, right away. Okay. And the next one is fraud. So when a person deliberately means knowingly tries to cheat or deceive the other to take a profit, that is called a fraud. So deliberately or knowingly, KNOWINGLY, means जानबूझ के, tries to cheat or deceive. ये पर जानबूझ के तुझे cheat कर दे, right? Or to take a profit, that is called a fraud. Next, if a fraud is proven by insurer, means insurance company, the entire loss may be denied. So basically, they may say no to the whole claim. Denied means so they can say they can refuse the claim. So proven by insurer, and other one is a entire. Who gives notice and proof of loss? In case of emergency, it is the obligation of the insured is to provide the notice and proof of loss by relatives. You can highlight the word relatives or family member to the insurer. Yeah. So basically, let me finish it and so have it. Okay. So basically, in case of emergency, is the obligation of the insured is to, so the fill in the blanks is insured, is to provide the notice and proof of loss by relatives, family member. Highlight the word relative, family member. Then is salvage. Number 9 is salvage. So salvage to further loss, right? To further loss or avoid the economic waste, the insured is responsible to protect the property. So the keyword is property. To the further, you put their loss and then the insured and then property. So any cost incurred will be shared by the insurance company. So basically, so the keyword is here is you have to fill in the loss, insured and property. Basically, salvage means so when the fire breaks down, right? So what do? So you try to save the property, right? Protect the property. Okay. And so you're gonna use basically you don't run away. You try to save whatever you can. And the next is entry, control and abandonment. So entry means the right to investigate. So the keyword you can write down investigate, right? And assess, and assess the amount of initial damage or loss by insurer. So there is a right to investigate. So the insurance company has the right to investigate. And the control means control. So the insured prohibits the so basically to take control of the property after loss and retains. So insurers. So basically, insured prohibits the insurer to take control of the property after loss or retains. And then abandonment prohibits the insured from relinquishing means running away from the property to insurer in expectation of a cash settlement. So it's a settled procedure to dispute the amount of claim. So basically, here is basically entry 1, I think that's it. Okay.